Consistency needs support. Consistency needs a plan. Consistency needs a system. And when people decide to get back in shape, especially through walking, I see 3 common mistakes. Mistake number 1, they start too big. They decide their first walk needs to be 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, or a certain number of steps. Now, if they can comfortably do that, great. But many people are not restarting from a place of strength. They're restarting from stress. They're restarting from fatigue. They're restarting from weight gain. They're restarting after an illness, an injury, a medical treatment, a long break, or a difficult season of life. And when you reset from that place, the first goal is not to prove how much you can do. The first goal is to teach your body that movement is safe again. That's a very different approach. Now, mistake number 2, they confuse soreness with success. They've been conditioned to think a workout only counts if it leaves us exhausted. No pain, no gain, right? Push harder, go all out, burn it off. But walking for lifelong health doesn't work that way. Walking works best when it becomes repeatable. If today's walk ruins tomorrow's walk, it was too much. If today's effort leaves you discouraged, inflamed, or mentally drained, it was too much. The goal is not to push the body. The goal is to build trust with the body. Now, mistake number 3 is this. They never track the right things. Most people track steps, miles, or calories. Those can be helpful. But when you're restarting, especially from a recovery-based mindset, you need to track more than numbers. You need to track how you felt before the walk, how you felt after the walk, your energy, your breathing, your mood, your sleep, your confidence, your daily win. Because the biggest early result of walking is often not the scale. It's the shift inside. You start to feel calmer. You start to feel more in control. You start to feel like, I can do this. That feeling matters. That is momentum. And momentum is the beginning of transformation. So what exactly is a walking system? A walking system is not complicated. It's not a thick binder of rules. It's not a boot camp. It's not a guilt machine. A walking system is a repeatable process that helps you get out the door, move safely, recover well, and build consistency over time. That's it. It tells you what to do before the walk. It tells you what you can focus on during the walk. It tells you what to do after the walk. And it tells you how to build from one walk to the next. Now, here's the key phrase. A system reduces friction. Friction is what stops people, not desire. Most people want to feel better. Most people want more energy. Most people want to lose weight. Most people want to move better. Most people want to be healthier. But the friction gets them. Where are my shoes? Do I have the time? What should I do? How long should I walk? What if I'm tired? What if I miss a day? What if I don't feel motivated? What if I can't keep up? What if I start and stop again? A system answers those questions before they become excuses. That's why the system matters. Because when the system is simple, the walk becomes easier to start. And when the walk is easier to start, you do it more often. And when you do it more often, you begin to change. Not overnight, not with pressure, but step by step.